Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Glad to have you here with me. I'm Paul, and this is Bighorn Woodworks. I was recently asked by a friend from Colorado to design a custom piece for the Colorado Fallen Hero Foundation's inaugural gala. This gala is a charity benefit in support of the families of officers and firefighters that gave their lives in the line of duty. I was incredibly honored to be asked to contribute and immediately began working on a design with my new Shapeoko CNC from Carbide 3D. I began with an SVG file from the organization and started to model my design around that. I chose this beautiful piece of Purple Heart as the backdrop to signify the Purple Mountain's majesty that was my home for over 20 years. After sanding the piece to 400, I applied a gold leaf to the outer edge and hand painted the design in the colors of their logo, including the design time, CNC cutting, sanding, and finishing. This product took me over 30 hours to complete. It turned out really well and would gladly do this in the future if they asked. it is. Thank you for watching, and I hope whoever gets this, you pay a lot of money for it.